Do you ever get off a client call and think, so what's my next move after this call? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to answer that question. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed the transcript from the conversation into a GPT called Transcript Triage. And I'm just going to paste that so you can see what it does. Okay, so now, as you can see here, is going to analyze the entire transcript, the people that attended the conversation, and also the topics discussed within the call. But what I want to really do is I want to go ahead and grab the action steps and pass this on to my next GPT. So I'm going to go ahead and analyze this information. And as you can see here, now I have action items. Action to create a new VSL, to rebuild the funnel, to do a ad account audit, to revise the avatar details, now create a ROI forecast for the next funnel, and create the follow-up sequence, right? The client's budgets and who owns this entire process. So now I can just go ahead and copy this and move on and actually work on this client's work. So I'm going to copy and paste this into my action synthesizer. And as you can see here, I already ran it. And it gives you exactly what you need if you're running on ClickUp or whatever you're managing your account on. So let's say I'm actually using Notion. It says update for Notion and it's going to give me the task. I can copy and paste this and now I can get organized on deploying the entire process for this campaign. Okay, but not just that. I also created another GPT where I'm just going to literally paste the entire transcript and it's going to give me a disc profile for everyone that attended. So what does that mean? Well, I can communicate better with the client and match their tonality, the way they communicate, so my communication doesn't go unnoticed. Then I also have other GPTs that would actually use that disc profile and I can write emails to correspond with this client and their communication style. But I also have a GPT called that AI Coach GPT, which is also going to analyze the way that the communication went. How should I get better at coaching, the dynamics that I should be using? So let's take a look what that looks like. Okay, so this is the AI coach. As you can see here, it went and analyzed the entire conversation with whoever took the most charge. So I talk most of the time. And so it gives me areas of improvement and overall an analysis of the type of tone that was used during this call. And so individual feedback, passive of the start, but open, transparent about goals and weaknesses. So at the beginning of the conversation, the client was just meeting me. So I had to, of course, open up those barriers. And as you can see, led like a pro, diagnostic, educational, directive without over talking. It gave me prompts for the next conversation that I should be having with this client. So overall, it created a analysis on how I can go back and approach this entire launch process. So that's it for this video. This is just an inside look on how I'm using AI for my day-to-day. And I hope you found this helpful. Until next one, take care.